Okay, now we go on with IELTS speaking part 1, and your topic is about special costumes. Okay. Special costumes are like some special dresses which you wear on certain occasions. A special Punjabi dress or special suit or anything like that. Okay. Now, my first question is, do you like to wear special costumes?
Yes, I like to wear special costumes because they make us creative.
They make me creative, singular. It's for you actually.
Okay, sir. They make me creative and allow us to show off our creativity.
Alright, so how wearing special costume you become creative? You're wearing kurta, you become more creative, huh? With lacha and all that. Okay. Do you try any special costume? Did you try any special costume when you were young?
Yes, I remember when I was a child, we used to have a fancy
I. Because the question is like, did you try? Yes. So you can say, I used to participate in a fancy dress show, yes, and there I wore something like that. So please answer again. Did you try any special costumes when you were young?
Yes, I tried. I still remember that when I was young, I used to have a fancy competition at school.
Fancy dress competition.
Fancy dress competition at school. I wore a Superman.
I used to wear Superman costume.
Superman costume. You know, it's a okay, very special character.
All right.
So I copy his.
I used to copy his actions. I used to imitate.
I used to imitate from a well-known movie Superman.
Okay, that's good. Nice one. When was the last time you wore special costumes?
The last time I wore on my friend's birthday party, there was a theme of special costume. What we say, special costume theme party.
Okay.
So I wore a special costume dress as a Batman, and it is also.
Even now you do Batman stuff. Okay.
Yes. So it is also a well-known character.
All right. Kabhi pari bane?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's go on. Did you ever buy any special costumes?
No, I don't like to buy special costume because I want to create them what I already have at my home.
Okay, so I want to create them with what I already have at home. Therefore, I did not buy any special costumes in the past. Okay. Overall, it's fine. Just keep it up. Okay? Yes, exactly. Thank you.